Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a perfect label printer by a company called MUNBYN. They sent this over. This particular model is the FM226. This is the box that it's going to come in, and it's basically a 2-inch wide label printer. As you can see, it's nice and compact, nice and small. To give you an idea of the size of the printer itself, it is about 4 inches wide. It's about 5 inches kind of in depth, and the tallest part of it is about 2 3/4. As far as those labels, like I said, it does print 2-inch labels. It's going to come with a nice roll, super easy to load. You're simply going to make sure the print surface is facing downward, and then you're just going to line it up and then go ahead and close the door, and you're going to be good to go. It'll automatically realign. Just rip off that first one, and you're good to get it going. Now, it also does support all the way down to 0.78 inches roller size. So if you don't want necessarily the 2-inch roller, you can do the smaller size if you wish. It's kind of up to you. Now, they also do have a lot of fun colors. So the one I have here is just a kind of a rectangle. That's what comes with it. It's perfect for labeling basically all kinds of stuff, labeling drawers, labeling containers. Very easy to utilize. But they also have a ton of different types if you're doing like stickers. So this is also by MUNBYN here, and it's got a fun little color pattern, and it's a perfect round sticker. You get a ton in the roll. And then, yeah, it's that thermal printing. So if you're not familiar with thermal printing, it is basically, it's an ink-free printer, and it heats up the material, the paper, so that way you never have to worry about changing any ink. It's also kind of what is used for like shipping labels, because it's resistant to when it gets wet and things like that, and it lasts. It doesn't fade over time. It works very, very well. When you also get this printer, you are going to get obviously a user manual and a quick start guide. Then you're also going to get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable, because this thing does have a battery built into it. So it's easy to take around wherever you want. Just plugs in and charges on the front. That battery is a 2000 mAh battery, and that's going to last you about 8 hours of continuous use. So it has a long battery life on it. Very easy to take around, especially if you're doing something like maybe you're selling at a convention or a farmer's market and you're wanting to label these custom jars. You can get some fun sticker paper and you can label them up, or candles, or put them on the lids and all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of endless options with your creativity. They also make it super easy. So you can utilize just a PC or a tablet, use your own software and just connect to it via Bluetooth if you wish and print to that. Or you can use their very user-friendly app. And the app has a ton of presets, ton of little things get you going to make it easy to create your own custom art, custom labels, and then you can just print from your phone or your tablet directly to the printer itself. Super, super easy to use. It just simply connects via that Bluetooth. This also does support receipt paper. So if you do run a small business or something like that, and you do want an easy solution for receipts, you can set this up, connect to your device via Bluetooth, and it supports the 2.28-inch receipt paper, which is just continuous. Just tear and go, so it'll print as much as you need, and you're ready to go. So totally worth checking out if you're in the market for a great printer label that makes perfect and clear to read labels. I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.